Need to send a file that's too large for an upload limit or email attachment. Instead of struggling with the size, you can split an archive into smaller parts using 7-zip. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to split large files, choose the part size, and then put everything back together when you need the original files. First, find the large file or folder you want to split. 7-zip splits archives into parts, so the first step is to select the content you want to package. Open File Explorer and highlight your file or folder. Right-click the selection, open the 7-zip menu, and choose Add to Archive. This opens the archive settings where we can choose the format and set the size of each part. In the Add to Archive window, choose 7-zip format if you're mainly working with 7-zip. Zip can also be useful when compatibility with other archive programs is more important. For this example, we'll use 7-zip. Now look for the split to volumes, bytes field near the bottom of the window. This is where you tell 7-zip how large you want each part to be. You can enter a size such as 1 GB, 4 GB, or another value that fits your upload limit. For example, if a website only accepts files up to 2 GB, you could split the archive into 2 GB parts. You can also use 7-zip size notation, such as 1G for 1 GB. Just make sure the chosen size is below the limit you're trying to meet. Once you've chosen the part size, click OK. 7-zip will compress the files and create multiple archive parts. Depending on the original file size and your compression settings, this can take a little while, so let the process finish completely. When the process is complete, you'll see several files with matching names and numbered parts. For a 7-zip archive, you'll commonly see a main file ending in .7-zip, followed by additional files with numbered .7-zip extensions. To extract the original files later, keep all the archive parts together in the same folder. Then open the first part with 7-zip and start the extraction. 7-zip will use the other parts automatically. If even one part is missing or damaged, the archive may not extract correctly. One important tip: don't rename individual parts or move only some of them. Keep the complete set together, especially when transferring or backing up the archive. And that's how to split large files with 7-zip. Choose a part size that fits your upload or storage limit, create the archive, and keep every part together for extraction. Yeah, once you know where that setting is, it's pretty easy.